How to connect Spotify on TV. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll guide you through the steps on how you can connect Spotify on your TV, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. If you would like to connect Spotify on your TV, it's actually quite very simple to do so. All you have to do is just go ahead and first of all, make sure you've downloaded the Spotify app from your app section. Go to the search button and then just search for Spotify app and make sure to download it. Once you've done that, we're going to open the Spotify app. Now you can choose to create an account if you don't, or you can also log into existing account. So just click the login option here, and over here you can see make sure your phone and TV are on the same network. Open the Spotify app on your phone, or you can also just go ahead and then basically select on your phone, play a song, and then tap devices icon, select your TV and start listening. You can do this via one way. Otherwise, what you can do is you can also just select login with code option, as you can find here. Click the login with code option, and then over here you should be able to actually scan this QR code from the camera app, and then you'll get a code and then you can connect it. Otherwise, you can simply log in with Spotify app here, and then you should be able to log into your account respectively. If you don't have an account, you can also choose to simply create your account by simply entering your date of birth and everything else here. This way you'll be able to connect your Spotify app to TV. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.